One wonders if they share the same think tank with UDA, as he plagiarizes the economic revival of the NAC government to pretend it was his own. Nothing could be further from the truth. It is ironical that he has invited one of the foremost and greatest economic saboteurs of our time in his NDC. Show us your friends and we will know who you are. Seated with Musalia is William Ruto on the one hand and Moses Wetangula on the other hand, after Kalonzo Musyoka and Gideon Moi walked out in protest. Therefore, One Kenya Alliance is officially as dead as Dodo. Since 2002, Musalia has made monumental errors. In 2002, when everybody was headed to NAC to form the next government, he turned back, only to be made vice president for less than 3 months.